Nissan Qashqai 2018, common problem. Okay, you have to take all this plastic first. It's going out this one. Next, this one. One screws. After that, you need to remove the switch because there is another screw, 10 millimeter. Nissan 10 millimeter hard. I think no. Usually this one broke, but this time I think it's a lock, door lock. We have to take it out. Maybe it's broke from other side. We will see. So as you see now, the door is locked, but I cannot open it from inside. There's nothing happened. But from outside, I think it's working. Yes. Has a problem. This lock need to change. Okay, in order to take out the lock, you have to take out this piece of metal for the window. One screw 10 millimeter here, and it's going out. So this is the lock, this is the other side, this is totally closed. We will see if we can open to check, but I don't think. To take out this piece of plastic in order, you have to take all the handle outside. We will see. Anyway guys, I took out the plastic. There is a child block inside under this piece of plastic as they use in the rear locks. So I found this one is down. If you try to open, you cannot open. So you have to move it to up like this, and it's going to open. Now. Fucking Nissan. Must stay like this. I'll try to put some glue here not to go down again, and we will see. By the way, this piece of iron when it's going out start to make noise. All Nissan locks, they have the same problem, common problem with this. This one is going out, so when you push it inside, put some glue, it's going to work most of times. So keep in mind. This one, when it's going out too much, it start to make noise like like this, or sometimes it's not going to open from inside or from outside. So you just need to push it inside and put some glue to prevent it to going out. So now okay. Okay, outside, jacks. Now it goes. Open. Inside. Okay.